What up world, it's Carmel at Kingdom Tech. Today we have a quick unboxing and review of the TCL 4 series. We're going to find out why this is one of the best selling TVs in stores, maybe one of the best selling TVs on the planet. So stay tuned and check out the video. So all of us have seen this TV in stores or as one of the Amazon best sellers. Let's find out why. Is it really just because of the price, or does this TV have a lot more to offer us? Let's unbox it and find out. Alright, let's get this bad boy open and see what we got in the box. Tear it open, slice it open, let's get it, flick of the wrist. Okay, so let's get it out of the box. This TV has almost no weight because it's the 43-inch version of it. Now this is what you get in the box. The feet, power cord, remote, quick start guide, 2 batteries, and 4 screws for the feet. Install for this is pretty straightforward. You can actually arrange the feet in 2 different ways, inward or outward, which is a bonus because, if you have different TV stands, it might not accommodate the TV as the way it comes. So that's pretty cool. The remote is the standard ROKU remote. This one feels a little extra cheap. You got your quick start for Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and Sling, volume rockers on the side, and a mute button. That's about it. Pretty standard fare. If you're used to ROKU, then this is right up your alley. Okay, now we got your inputs. They're all on the right side. You got a USB input, Ethernet, 3 HDMIs with 1 ARC, the coax video in, and also an optical audio output. For everyone familiar with the ROKU platform, this part is a pain. The ROKU setup process takes at least 10 minutes to get started, and as you can see, it's very time consuming, so be prepared. If you're not familiar with this, get used to it if you buy this TV, because it's going to take at least 10 minutes to get started. I let some time pass, and as you can see, it's still not done. It also depends on how many apps you got and how much time you're willing to invest into it. Set it up and customize how you want it, because they ask you a bunch of questions, just like every other platform does, but this seems like it takes longer. Okay, let's talk about the TV itself. It is 4K UHD, has a 60 Hz refresh panel. Platform is ROKU and it's HDR10 format, which is a bonus at this price point. So here we have some 4K HDR content. It looks pretty sharp, but you'll be hard pressed to find this kind of sharpness on day-to-day viewing. It's kind of like when you go to Best Buy and every TV looks so amazing. Just don't expect that here. TVs in showrooms are set to store mode, so they all have the best picture possible. This TV ain't looking like this when you get it home, trust me. With all that being said, the TV does look sharp when you're watching these demo videos. You can see the water clear, the mountains, the sky, the houses, everything looks pretty crispy in HDR. One thing that did surprise me on this TV was the gaming aspect. I was very surprised on how it kept up with my console. Now I'm not saying this in any way is a gaming TV, but for the little straw I took it on, it was pretty fine. It handled pretty well. I was surprised, as you can see. It's not the greatest, but it's keeping up, and it's not laggy, and I think it did a pretty fair job for the quick time I spent gaming on it. For the casual gamer, it's actually respectable. If you're not hardcore, I think you'll be surprised at how good this TV actually keeps up with your console. I think it did a pretty good job. Okay, so who is this TV for? The TCL 4 series comes in 43, 50, 55, 65, and 75 inch sizes. So you have a range of sizes to choose from. I personally would stick to the smaller sizes because the larger ones have local dimming, but they don't do a very good job at it. Okay, so let's talk about some of the things I like. And like everyone else, of course, it's the price. Of course, that is the main factor in choosing one of these TVs. A 50 inch for around $250 can't be beat. It also has decent low lag for gaming, as you can see some of the footage here. If you're a cord cutter, the ROKU platform offers a bunch of free apps for movies and TV shows. It does have HDR, even though it's not the greatest, it still supports it, so that is a bonus, because a lot of other cheap TVs, they might be 4K, but they don't have HDR. So this one has it, so you're a step up on that part. Now for some of the things I don't like. First off, the motion handling. If you're into sports and other live TV with fast motion, this TV has problems with that. I can't recommend it for that. Even though the set has a fair amount of picture settings at this price point, it's not going to help with the motion handling. Next up, I do not like that ROKU platform. Some people love it. I myself don't care for it, but if you're a fan of it, then you might, like it. That's not a deal breaker for you. So that part, I'm not crazy about the Roku. I never have been. I'm an Android TV type of guy, so that's that. And that wraps up this video. If you like the video, please like it and share it. If you want to know how to control this TV and 14 other devices, check out the video I did on the Sofa Baton Universal Remote. Till the next time, y'all, peace, and I'm out.